एक किसान का बेटा हूँ, बाय प्रोफेशनली लाइफ स्किल्स कोच हूँ और खुद भी किसानी करता हूँ।
From where you are?
आई एम फ्रॉम हापुड़,
Hapur.
यूपी, उत्तर प्रदेश। जी।
So what do you want to say to the all people of the world about
I would like to request to this universe, please stand with us, please stand with farmers, because if there is a farmer, you can get food, and no food, no life. No farmer, no food, no life. How one can survive? With help of the software, with help of the machine.
they will download the food?
There is no possibility.
We are living in a digital India.
Absolutely. We are living in a digital
Can
India.
they
No one
download?
can. No one can download food from the Google. And if someone,
maybe the Bhagavad
if someone would, if someone would try to download the food from the Google, so his digestion system can't digest that very food.
That very food.
Yeah. So he would be no more in this universe. If you want to live happy, healthy life, so in this universe, farmers must be happy and healthy as soon as possible. Our government understand it. It would be good for our government also, for us also, because we are not here with our happiness. We are here with our compulsion. You know, we lost our more than 60 members of our family,
that's
right? So this is not a picnic place. This is not a picnic place. It's a place where we lost our elders. So we are here just because of the compulsion. We want to live happy and healthy life like others.
But they have some. They have very problem with your this.
Sweater, yes.
Sweaters,
Yeah.
jeans.
Yes. My specs.
Specs. Your
Yeah.
Scorpio. Your
Yeah.
Endeavor, Fortuner. They
Yes.
are literally they are saying that these are not farmers.
This is the fact. Exactly in India, oftentimes people say there are castes in India. I say we can manage our caste discrimination, but it's very tough to manage class discrimination. Class discrimination is very healthy, very powerful. The wall of the class discrimination is very healthy. I am a son of farmer. I am speaking English. I am speaking international language. So they are not happy with it because I can ask a question. If I talk in a layman language, they want me to be a layman, but I am not a layman.
Suit like a layman.
Absolutely. They want to give us sugar-coated words to us. They want to say they are working for farmers, but they don't have any kind of the formula what they are working for farmers. They always say we would multiply your income. But how they would multiply our income? If you are going to a doctor and doctor is asking, I would help you to get well soon. So at least you would ask to a doctor, how would you help me? So same we are asking, how would you multiply our income? So they have a problem. In India, until there is a class discrimination, caste discrimination is okay. You are not asking my caste, I'm not asking your caste. We are talking with love. But
We are living here
happily.
with a unique way of
Yeah.
life. We are eating food
It's a divine unity. It's a divine unity. I must say it's a divine confluence. It's a divine confluence of humanity here, but they are not ready to understand. Until they are not ready, we are here. Until they would discriminate us, they would torture us. But now we are not ready to be a part of in class discrimination. We are not the part of. We would stand with you. We would ask a question. We can be a part of house. We can be a part of this kind of the agitation. We can be a part of our farmer family. We can work in our fields. We can sit on roads and we can sit in parliament. We are farmers. We nurture this country. Paji, I would like to say one more thing. Oftentimes they raise the question, how you are maintaining this agitation? This is a very, I should say very rubbish question. Farmers, what we are doing here? We are taking food, or more than this we are doing? Just we are taking here bread and butter, right? That's it. Now in my country there is 13500 crore, right? Population. 135 crore population hai. Who serve food to them? We farmers, when we can serve to 135 crores, so how we can't serve to ourselves? They are not ready to understand. We are farmers when we are growing food for 135 crore people.
entire nation.
For entire nation we are doing. And they are saying, where from you are taking? No, gentlemen. You need to understand we are also gentlemen.
What is your opinion about the national media of this country?
See, if you talk about the mainstream media, all right, it's a mainstream media, and history of the mainstream media, if you talk about before 1947 or after 1947, so mainstream media is being dictated by the government. Mainstream media is a servant of, I must say, loudspeaker of the government. This is the proper executive of mainstream media. Mainstream media is a loudspeaker, not more than this. And there are many people. Yesterday,
My question is it better for this this beautiful country? Is it better for our people?
absolutely not, absolutely not, because this is confrontation. This is family. This is family, you know. And in this family, we love together, we talk together, we share our emotions, because our ancestors, our forefathers, they taught us the message of love. Guru Nanak, they taught us message of love, right? So everyone taught us love is divine, love is our base. So this is not good. Confrontation is not good. And one more thing, they need to understand the things at our level, not at their own level, because they are seeing the things at top. We are seeing the things from the bottom. So they must come at our level. There is a gap, you know, between teacher and a student. So they are not coming at a student level. First,
Can I know your opinion about the BJP's ideology? They were first of this is the only party. They were saying Swadeshi, 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 and now times
yeah.
they are
If we talk about Swadeshi, absolutely, we should be rich, but we should love everyone. Because if we talk about Hindu methodology, so we always say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, right? If we talk about the Vivekanand, if they say only we are, no one else, so it means they are not, they don't agree with Vivekanand, right? One more thing I would like to tell you, if you talk about the ideology, so my one statement would tell you the ideology of the BJP. In COVID, right? In India, people can consume liquor freely at open area, but a teacher has to teach stealthily.
that's bad luck of this country.
This is the ideology. A teacher has to teach stealthily, but a simple man can consume liquor in open space. No COVID, no corona.
And BJP can do rallies too.
This is the ideology, what I'm telling you. This because they are in government. They are not taking any decision on education. Now, this is, you can understand.
They have took a decision. This is the first country to take taxes from the books.
See,
This is the only one nation.
if I say in Hindi, so ये कफन पे भी टैक्स ले रहे हैं. Right? You are
right.
talking about the education. इन्होंने टेक्सटाइल पे भी, इन्होंने कफन पे भी टैक्स लगा दिया, जो नाप के नहीं दिया जाता, जिसका मेजरमेंट भारत में कफन को नाप कर नहीं दिया जाता. Because there is a very good line. नवाज देवबंदी का एक शेर है कि जिन वारिशों के लिए लुटा दी तूने दुनिया की दौलतें, उन्होंने तुझे कफन भी नाप कर दिया. राइट जिनके लिए सारी दुनिया की दौलतें लुटा दी. और हमने एक किसान के बेटे ने एक फार्मर a son of farmer doesn't want to be a farmer. This is the future of this country. A son of the farmer doesn't want to be a farmer. Why?
Even the
Father doesn't want him to be a farmer. Father always motivate with help of this sentence. If you don't study, you have to be a farmer. This is your punishment. This is your punishment. If you don't study, this is your punishment. You have to be a farmer. And at the age of 35, you would have dark circle on your face. You would have gray hair. You would have long face, dull face. And at the age of 45.
Gentlemen, reality is this. Farmer took birth in debt and died in debt.
I know very well. I'm a son of farmer. I belong to UP. My district is Hapur and my name is Harish Hund. And I belong to that particular farmer, typical farmer family. Our agriculture minister says he comes from farmer family. He can talk to me at any topic with 3 bill and any other topic also. And in any language. I can speak more than 6 languages.
Do you still believe they will come and talk?
They will have to come. They will have to come.
Really?
Absolutely, they will have to come because in a majority we are enough. Try to understand. We are living in democratic country, right? So in democracy, we have given them this opportunity, power, right to take the decision, right? They are not qualified. They are selected. We appointed them, we selected them. They are not qualified. Neither our Prime Minister nor our Agriculture Minister qualified any exam, right? They came to us, they asked our support. That very time, we were very intelligent when we were supporting them. But now when we are asking our rights, so they say you are not quite intelligent. Yes, they are putting many tax on us. They are saying you are Khalistani. So if we are Khalistani, you and me both are Khalistani. So what we are doing here? It means if both are Khalistani, so नैतिकता के आधार पर भारत के प्रधानमंत्री को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए कि खालिस्तानी खुले घूम रहे हैं, इंटेलिजेंस क्या कर रही है? What is the role of intelligence in this country? What is the role of CBI? What we are doing? We must be the behind the bars. What we are doing here? So now it won't work. It's a propaganda of mainstream media. Yesterday I was watching, by the way, I don't watch, but for a while I watched Arnab Goswami. He was asking to our senior leader, Tiket Saab, there is a minister from Canada, what he's doing here, right? I would like to ask one thing. Our Prime Minister, what he has to do with America, what he has to do with Trump, what he has to do with Trump. He's tweeting, but he's not ready to tweet on our 60 elders who lost their life. He's not ready to do a single tweet. What my Prime Minister? He's my head of the family. You agree? So I have an ability and I have the right to ask a question. What my Prime Minister has to do with America? What's happening in America? He knows and he tweets. But what's happening in Delhi? What's happening in my country? He doesn't care. So he's asking us what Canada minister is doing in your agitation. I'm asking him what my Prime Minister. If Arnav asked me a question, so I would answer him because I would tell him how to shout because he is in the habit of shouting only. But he doesn't know how a farmer shouts. A farmer shouts very loudly. He can't understand our voice and he can't bear our voice. We can shout very badly. We can fight for our rights if he has more willpower. Because Paji, life is all about willpower. Life is all about your courage. Our Guru Granth Sahib has same, right? So he can come here, he can sleep with me in this tent.
If he has some dare, then come here.
Absolutely. If he has dare, so he come and talk to me. I give him a challenge. I give
Not with us. He can
talk to anyone. I am a son of farmer. And first I would give a certificate I am a son of farmer. After that he can talk to me. He doesn't know anything about farming and he's talking about the farming and he's shouting. It's rubbish shout. I can make him tongue tied within 2 minutes. I'm giving an open challenge to Arnav. He comes, he calls me on his channel, on his platform, or he talks to me. I would give a challenge. I would make him tongue tight within a minute because he doesn't know what is farming. So simple. If you are asking me what is a Canadian minister is doing in India, so I'm asking what my Prime Minister has to do with America. America वाले अमेरिका की संसद को सर पे धर के नाचे हमें क्या मतलब? What I have to do? He is doing tweet there, but he is not doing a single tweet. हमारे 60 शहीद हो गए.
When you are saying it's our internal matter, then why are you tweeting us?
What you are tweeting in America? What you have to do with America? You have nothing to do with America. You have everything to do with your nation. And now one more sentence I'm saying. BJP always claim what farmers are doing on roads, farmers must be in fields. We agree. What my Prime Minister does in the entire world, he is a Prime Minister of India, so he must be in India. What he is doing in Canada, what he is doing in America.
He was breaking the record of Vasco da Gama.
But he couldn't find even a single India. If he wants to break the record of Vasco da Gama, so Vasco da Gama researched India. Vasco da Gama ने भारत की तो खोज की. इन्होंने किसकी खोज की? इन्होंने किसी की खोज नहीं की. मन की बात की खोज की. और बात चलेगी काम की. मन की नहीं, काम की. We want to talk about work. Because if we talk about the mind, so mind is our enemy. Our Rigved says, our Guru Granth Sahib says, Bible says, Gita says, Quran says, your mind is your enemy. Am I right? Control it, dictate it. And he's talking about mind. Man ki baat nahi, kaam ki baat. Because man ki baat is always an illusion. Guru Granth Sahib says same. Bible says same. Am I right? Our Rigved says same. All say your mind would take you in illusion. Don't listen your mind. You need to dictate it. You need to control your mind because your mind is your enemy. But what we can to do? How?
What do you say about this brotherhood? This new brotherhood in India?
It's unique, and this is India. This is real India. This is brotherhood. There is love in the air. There is love in the air. There is care in the air. There is, what should I say? Oneness is in the air. Oneness is in the air.
One thing.
Yeah.
Not especially for me.
Yeah.
What is your opinion about the langar?
लंगर ये रब का है, ये रब का है, ये नहीं रुकना। ये रब का लंगर है। अन्न और प्राण, मैं हिंदी में बोलूं सांस और ग्रास उसने लिख के दिए हैं, बाकी तो माध्यम बन रहे हैं। ये रब का लंगर है, ये नहीं रुकना। मैं आऊं या तुम आओ, सेवा नहीं मुकनी, सेवा नहीं मुकनी। मैं करूं या तुसी करो, सेवा नहीं मुकनी, सेवा तो होनी है। ये ऐसे ही चलेगा।
When God is with us,
But nature is with us. It's a conspiracy of nature.
what they are trying to.
They can't do anything. They are helpless. They are helpless. And one more thing.
What is their इसमें क्या बोलते हैं, मैं भूल गया, मजबूरी क्या है उनकी?
What's their compulsion? Why they don't want to dissolve the bills? You want to know? See, they have committed with someone. They have committed with someone, we would help you. They have committed with their best friends who helped them. See, if you helped me to win the election, so it's my duty now. I must help you in your business because you are a businessman. I am a politician. So Ambani Bandhu is a businessman and Modi ji is a politician. Bandhu ji helped second Bandhu in election. Now it's his responsibility because he want to give back. He want to reciprocate. He wants to reciprocate. लेना देना बराबर करना, अगला चुनाव जीतना। जनता जिताती है, अंबानी की एक ही वोट है, एक ही रहेगी।
वो कभी पोल नहीं करने गया होगा।
I don't think so. I don't think so. And he might have cast the vote. He might have casted his vote, and he may cast his vote. He will never cast his vote, but we would cast the vote. And we have the right. We have that responsibility. We have that ability. Very simple thing I am asking. When my constitution gives me the right to appoint a prime minister, so my constitution gives me one more right to raise my voice, right? When my prime minister is happy to get that very appointment, right? But when we ask our rights, so that very time he's saying, no, you are a newborn baby. You don't understand. We are doing for your betterment, but please, better you talk to us, better you discuss with us. You are trying to give something to me, but you are not talking with me. You wants me to get married, and you bring a bride and ask me, you should marry with her, but I don't want to marry. Why you are insisting me? You should not insist me. You are not supposed to insist me. I have a freedom. Yeah.
जब विचोले को बड़ा ईंधन मिल जाता है,
Right.
मुंदरी मिल जाती है, उनको मिली हुई है ना।
Gone are the days. I would like to say with your channel, gone are the days, and they would feel very soon. Those were the days. Very soon they would.
Uttar Pradesh has make
Absolutely, entire country make up to his mind.
What we will do with that EVM?
Everything is possible, right? Either it's EVM or something else, but we have a treatment of everything. One thing I would like to tell you, I don't know they have an original vaccine of corona or not, but we have their vaccine. We have their vaccine.
Do you still think the corona is here?
The corona here or not, I don't know, because where is a God? Nothing is there. Only God is there. Love is in the air. Just I said, there is no virus in the air. There is love in the air. Because vibrations of the God always changed. There is love. There is love. There is happiness. There is oneness. You can see any face. Every face is very cool. And Rabdi Moj hai. Grace of God. वो मालिक है. सब एक नूर से सारा जग उपजा है, एक नूर से सारा जग उपजा है, उसी के बंदे हैं, सब उसी के, और हम उसके अपने हैं। क्यों अपने हैं? हम उसके खास हैं। He appointed us. Baji, one more thing I would like to tell you. He appointed us to serve the universe. Because अन्न प्राण होता है, अन्न प्राण होता है। गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब में भी अन्न को प्राण कहा गया। That's why we people say कि खा रज के पर छोड़ना, है ना, कि खा मण भर छोड़ना कण भर। ये प्राण है और हम प्राण पैदा करते हैं। It means, or what is life? प्राणी life है। So God appointed us. We are blessed. He is always with us. He is standing with us and he is marching with us shoulder to shoulder. He is very divine and his divinity is with us. They are helpless. They can't do anything. Either they take 3 bills, they withdraw 3 bills today, tomorrow, after 1 year, after 10 years. We are here. We have no problem. They have many problems. We have no problem. There is no issue in our life.
subordinate, he is my good friend.
Yeah.
He always say, this is the first Andolan.
Right.
When people are enjoying, government is in trouble.
Absolutely. You know, there is one thing, a very important thing I would like to tell you.
Yeah.
Government always becomes worried with happiness. Why you are happy? You know, in Ramayana, there is a character, Bali. Bali. रामायण में एक करेक्टर है बाली. So it has been said कि वो सामने वाले का आधी शक्ति ले लेता है, because वो उसको डिस्टर्ब करता है. सरकार किसी दूसरे विषय पर एबल नहीं है सोचने के लिए. गवर्नमेंट इज अनेबल टू थिंक अबाउट अदर टॉपिक्स. गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट रेडी टू थिंक अबाउट एजुकेशन. गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट रेडी टू थिंक अबाउट डेवलपमेंट. नाउ दे वांट टू मेक अस upset. We are not. We are happy. We are enjoying because we know we would win. We would win. हमारे अंदर शुभ की मस्ती है, शुभ का आनंद है, क्योंकि हम अच्छे काम पे हमने अच्छे काम पे डट के खड़े हैं. We are fighting for betterment. If we are not fighting for betterment, there is a fear within. There is no fear within. There is only desire to serve best world to our coming generation, and definitely we would serve a beautiful world to our coming generation. It's our duty also, it's a responsibility also. Our coming generation would ask many questions. They would ask many questions. What you did. So we are here, and definitely we would win. They need to dissolve all three bills, all three laws, as well as
Mr. Takat say that we will march on 26th.
yeah, absolutely we would march. You know, on 26th January, we celebrate what we celebrate. In Hindi, I would like to say Ganatantra Divas, right? गणतंत्र दिवस. मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा, बहुत अच्छे से मेरे बुजुर्ग भी समझेंगे. गणतंत्र दिवस. गण किसको कहते हैं? जनता को. जनता का दिवस. और जनता उपेक्षित अब नहीं चलेगा. जनता का दिवस, जनता उपेक्षित नहीं चलेगा. जनता भी वहां होगी और ये भी वहां होंगे. तंत्र भी होगा, हम भी होंगे, और सब साथ बैठेंगे. इनको ये याद दिलाना है कि तुम जन्म भर के लिए यहाँ नहीं हो. ये तख्तो ताज हैं, सर बदलते रहेंगे. ये किसी के नहीं हुए कि एक दिन तुम्हें भी हमारे साथ, यू हैड टू सिट विद अस, तुम्हें भी हमारे साथ बैठना पड़ेगा. सो 26 जनवरी को आनंद आएगा. रिहर्सल बहुत आनंद से हुआ था, कल भी चल रहा है. किसान बहुत दक्ष है, बहुत परिपक्व है, बड़ी जल्दी सीख लेता है चीजों को, क्योंकि वो हर चीज में बड़ा परिपक्व है. परिपक्व कौन होता है? जिसका स्वयं पे नियंत्रण होता है. अपना मन की शांति दुनिया में सफलता दिलाती. रावण 1000 कोशिश करता है, राम शांत रहता है. राम को पता है आई वुड विन. आवर हार्ट सेज, आवर गट फील सेज वी वुड विन, बिकॉज वी आर एट.
Do you believe?
बिल्कुल करेक्ट.
जीतना है तो हमें ही जीतना है. क्यों हमें जीतना है ये समझिए. मेरा नाम हरीश है. ना हरीश जीतता है, ना मोदी जीतता है. जीतता है सच. और
में जाते.
मैं सच के साथ खड़ा हूं तो सच जीतेगा. या तो ये आज मान जाएं. मैं तो गुजारिश करना चाहता हूं, ये आज मान जाएं. ईश्वर इन्हें सद्बुद्धि दे और ईश्वर इनको सही रास्ते पर चलाए. ये हम विद हेल्प ऑफ आर वोट he got the visa of America.
Yeah, absolutely right.
When he was the chief minister of Gujarat, America said, no, you can't come to America. But when we casted our vote in his support, so America said, we welcome you. So he needs to understand our power. He needs to understand the power of our vote. He needs to understand the power of our majority. He needs to understand the power of our willingness. Because we are the people who makes the things. We can deliver food to the country, to 135 crore people, so we can do anything. We are farmers, and here also we are enjoying, we are peaceful. The time we want to go ahead, we can go. No one can do anything. Because you know, that very side also our brothers are there. They are not from, you know, in that very side, Jai Shah is not a constable. Jai Shah is not a constable. Jai Shah is in cricket board, right?
So he's enjoying his luxury.
He's enjoying his luxury. He hasn't qualified. I don't think so. He has ever played the cricket. So Jai Shah is not there. Yeah, Pankaj Singh is not there. Jai Shah is not there. हाँ, अमित मलिक जरूर कोई मिलेगा उधर, है ना. मेरा भाई जरूर मिलेगा कोई उधर. और वो इस सरकार की नौकरी के लिए भाई पे गोली नहीं चलाएगा, ये भाई के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाएगा। जिस दिन दोनों एक साथ चलेंगे ना 26 जनवरी को, दोनों एक साथ इकट्ठा होंगे, वी वुड बी टुगेदर, इट्स आवर ब्रदरहुड। एंड इफ दे डोंट बिलीव ऑन आवर दिस ब्रदरहुड, दे कैन कम हियर, वी आर टेकिंग फूड टुगेदर। हम लंगर एक साथ खा रहे हैं, हमारे पुलिस वाले भाई और हम एक साथ लंगर खा रहे हैं, हम तो आनंद ले रहे हैं यहाँ। जितना जल्दी हो सके ईश्वर इनको सद्बुद्धि दे और ईश्वर इनको तीनों बिल वापस लेने की हौसला दे, क्योंकि पुराने कमिटमेंट नहीं तोड़ पा रहे हैं।
Give me your number.
Yeah, please. It's
Feed in it. So we will go. थोड़ी देर के लिए पुल के नीचे चक्कर लगाएंगे, फिर वापस आ जाएंगे।
my name is Harish.
हाँ, प्लीज।